Pancadão. 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 Pancadão.
Atenção. É agora que o bicho vai pegar. DJ Alysom.
They're the ones who's rocking to the beat. They're the ones who's dancing in the street. They're the ones who keep the party on go. They're the ones who's coming to see the show. They're the innovators, up to date, can do everything in their own way. They're funky fresh, make that a yes. Don't have to guess, they rock the best. But to get them on the floor, you need a sound that's nothing less than hip hop down. With a bass kick, a snap and snare, and a little bit of scratching somewhere in there. Cause they're the B-boys, they have a way, you see. They don't dance to nothing that's not funky. They make you think they're not prepared and out of the race. But when you turn around, they're right in your face. They're the don't you know? Being a B-boy's not easy to do. A lot try to make it, but only a few ever become one or pass the test. Cause when you're a B-boy, you're the new sensation, a new generation, not giving into nothing but devastation. You're the ones all the girls are after. You're the ones who with the ghetto blasters. People say they're too big and make too much noise, but they gotta understand that you're the B-boys. Don't you know? Well, let me tell you. Hey, girl.
Start anything, we can blast them right off the earth.
Well, I might just do that.
Give it to them.
How hard can you throw it? Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. How hard can she throw it? Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Now get it. Y'all, this is Said What in the house, along with No Regard, and our posse is in full effect, you know what I'm saying? And all I wanna know is how hard can y'all throw it?
boom chong boom chak chaking boing boom chak chong boom chak boing boom chak boing boom chak chaking boing boom chak chong boing boom chak boing boom chak chong boing boom chak boing boom chak chong boom chak chaking boing boom chak.
Music non-stop. Music non-stop.
hours a day. I watch the games that people play.
On a chocolate eclair, you see, sucker DJs come a dime or a dozen to the sucker MC. I'm telling you, my cousin, what people really want, what people really need is a boomful jam that will exceed than any other previous recorded shit. Has no competition to this hit. And I know my generation enjoys syncopation. DJ Debonaire provides a laceration with expert navigation, reducing inflammation. Pay attention to the rap for a double connotation, charismatic and ecstatic, like toys in the attic. Although she offer that because the beat becomes erratic. Your eyes focusing on a fly girl smile, so your party rock, motivate, dance all the while. Dance all the while, dance all the while. this legacy I'm about to unfold. It's like ice cream in a bowl, the jam is cold. So let me spit up my words until the story is told. It's a trial, it's a tribulation, cause the MC like me is bound to rock the nation. Just get on up till you can't no more. Then your feet will be right 12 inches from the floor. Don't look for the door, keep reaching for the ceiling. Your mind won't know what your body is feeling. Going back to the ground and share the light. Cause Debonaire and Trcick D's in the house tonight. He's in the house tonight. To all you ladies that think you're pretty, work the move and let's get silly. For those of you who do not know, it's the Gigolo that's rocking this show. You see, I do fresh shows around the world and chill in hotels with pretty girls. Walk on red carpets under my feet, and I lay my body down in executive suite. Show it around everywhere that I go, and I'm always stretched out in a stretch limo because I'm cold as ice and no so smooth. But wear leather in the summer and still be cool. You see my rider so deaf that you can't resist. So if you need to buy something, buy this. My mama, yo mama hanging out clothes. My mama sock yo mama in the nose. Did it hurt? No. Did it hurt? No. Chicken, chicken, no beat, no beat, no beat. All the children gone to heaven won't be back till 10 after 11. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? I got a 20-room pad like the YMCA, Beverly Hills, California, is where I stay. I got a silver Rolls Royce and bodyguards, 2 German Shepherds that patrol the yard. And when you come inside the central AC, you can watch the dirty movies on the cable TV. Check out the room that's so unique with the mirror water bed and the satin sheet. With a kiss from my lips, I can make you strip. I'm gonna love you so fine, make your backbone slip. Like a Kentucky Fried Chicken, I'll do you right. Gonna rock your body to the early light. I'm 6'4", my legs kinda bold. Might rap a little slow, but my name ain't Joe. At Joe request, I can rap a little faster. Sucker MCs, I'm a real grandmaster. Might make you jam, might make you rock, might make you dance, and then I might not 3, not 2. I'm by myself, and if you look, you see nobody else. Say you sucker MCs who wanna battle me. I'm so bad, I body slam Mr. T, cause I'm always on, I'm never off. The captain, the leader, the head and the ball. I'm a little conceited, you can sound my mess, but one thing for sure, my rap is fresh. Are you ready? Yeah.
Don't bust out in a sweat, we haven't even started yet. You talk about a fantasy and how a real man should be. Well, wham, bam, lover man, like a Duracell. I'm energized and I'm willing and able to satisfy. We're so nasty, we love to turn you out. On the downstroke, we never joke. We'll make you scream and shout. We're so nasty, we both are rated X. And when it comes to getting freaky, girl, we're the best. Now I'm Dr. Jerckill, the lover man. I got more girls than the beach got tan. I'm ready, set, ready to go. And yes, girl, I be your gigolo. H-Y-D-E, yes, it's me. And I'm here for all the ladies to see. I got a big surprise. Wow. Open your eyes, but don't stare too long, you'll be hypnotized. We're so nasty, we love to turn you out. On the downstroke, we never choke. We'll make you scream and shout. I said, we're so nasty, we both are rated X. And when it comes to getting freaky, girl, we're the best. Freak! Freak! Hey, ladies, I heard you can't get enough. That's why I want to try your stuff. Try your stuff. If you want a meal and not a snack, I hope you got a real strong back. A real strong back. You see, I can do it fast, I can do it slow. Just wind me up and watch me go. In, out, all around. Get ready, baby, down for the big throwdown. The big throwdown. The big throwdown. Cause we're so nasty, we love to turn you out. On the downstroke, we never choke. We'll make you scream and shout. I said, we're so nasty, we both are rated X. And when it comes to getting freaky, girl, we're the best. That's right. Freak. I like to play kinky games. How about you? Are you the same? Let's go play hide and seek. Turn your back, please don't peek. I'll hide, you'll see. I'll turn into a super freak. But it's okay, I won't bite. I just love you, baby doll, all through the night. We're so nasty, we love to turn you out. On the downstroke, we never choke. We'll make you scream and shout. I said, we're so nasty, we both are rated X. And when it comes to getting freaky, girl, we're the best. We're the best. We're the best. Cause I'm a lean, mean freak machine. I love you right, know what I mean? On your limousine floor, in your bed at night. Just trust me, girl, cause I'll do it right. Sweet loving, girl, hey, that's my game. There's more sugar on my candy cane. So come on, girl, are you ready to freak? Don't you want to reach your peak? Now I know, girl, you're a big freak too. So let's freak together, me and you. I said, come on, girl.
DJ Alysom, o melhor do Brasil.
Hey, so let's freak together, me and you. We're so nasty, we love to